In this video, we're going to go ahead and do the camshaft sensor on the Chrysler Concorde 2004. Camshaft sensor code. I'm going to go ahead and put a link to that video. Should be coming up on your right hand corner, top right. That explains how I found out that we need to replace camshaft sensor. Finally came in, took about a week to order it right from Chrysler. Do not buy the aftermarket ones. They're having issues. People are having issues with the aftermarket. And what's happening is they'll put the sensor in, go through all that work, and then the car's still doing a no stock condition. The sensor, okay, this is the new one, goes right here. Bam. Problem is it's underneath this manifold. That's the bolt that has to come out, and there's not enough room under here to pull that sensor out. So this manifold's gonna have to come up. Shouldn't be that bad. There's two bolts. There's a bolt here and a bolt on this bracket. Just loosen those. You got the bolts in the top main part of the intake. You got this bracket bolt here and this bracket bolt here, and you also have this one here. So yeah, there's quite a few things we have to take out as far as bolts are concerned, but it shouldn't be that bad. That should give you enough room to just gently lift the intake and get to that sensor. Now, I already took the screw out. Now I gotta disconnect the sensor itself. To do that, I gotta pull that little piece out of there. All right, you see this red tag here? That's gotta be pulled out. Okay, there's a red tag here. You slide that to the side, then you hit the clip and it slides right out. So now you're left with the sensor right there in place. So we're gonna just gently pick this up just enough to slide that sensor out. And it should just come right out. And there you have it, that's the old sensor. Take that and you toss it. Now the new one is pretty simple, it goes right in. There's a small hole. Let's see if I can get a close-up for you folks. All right, you can see the hole now. See it? That's where it goes. You'll put this sensor in. Same thing you did before. You're going to slide her in. Pick up the manifold just enough to get that in there. Before I get that screw in there, I want to put some anti-seize on it. Not a whole bunch, just a little. Always start your screws by hand. Make sure they're in properly. You don't want to cross thread anything, you know, then you got a big problem. Okay. I'm not tightening it with the ratchet, with the air ratchet. I'm going to tighten it by hand. So I don't want to overdo it. Okay, now she's in, connected before I do anything else. Pretty simple, you just push it on there. Okay, it'll click and then push the tab back in to lock it. Now it's a matter of just putting everything back together. All right, now that we got all the bolts in, I'm just going to go ahead and quickly torque this. I like to make sure everything's torqued. I do it in 2 steps. I'll do half the torque rating and then I'll do the full torque rating. Then I'll do it one more time just to make sure everything's up to snuff. Now it's obvious I can torque these, I can torque these down. The only ones that I can't torque are these 3 here for the brackets. 1, 2, 3. There's just no room to get the torque wrench in there. And I don't feel like taking this whole housing apart just to do this. So I'm going to do it by hand and just snug them up. There we go. Don't forget to put the hose back in place. All right, she's done. The moment of truth is starting her up and seeing what happens. Let's go ahead and get in the car. First we're going to do is turn the key to the on position. I'm going to go ahead and just read the computer and see what we have in here. And it says everything's good, so see that little check light right there, the check? It's green. That means the system's good. But just in case, let's go ahead and just check the engine. Let's read codes, stored codes. All right, there's no codes. And I haven't had, like I told you, I haven't had an episode with that. No stock condition, since the last video, which has been about, oh, I don't know, a week and a half now, 2 weeks. All right. Well, that's it for the camshaft sensor replacement. And like I said, if you didn't see that other video, go ahead and check it out. It's that link out in your top right hand corner. Really fairly simple to do. Got a few bolts you got to take out. You don't, remember, you don't have to remove the intake. You just got to lift it up a little bit. And that's it. That should do it. I'm going to monitor my car. If that ends up happening again, then obviously we've got another issue somewhere. But I'm pretty confident that was the issue. That was the code I got, and there's a crack in that other one, so that could be one of the issues. Probably causing it to get a battery or something stupid like that. But all right, hope the video is helpful. Hope you guys subscribe, and I hope you guys leave some comments. And I just want to say I appreciate all the subscribers to this channel. I really do. Without you, it wouldn't even be worth doing. And I'm glad I've been able to help quite a few people. All right, take care. Bye-bye.